So continuation of number systems. So last class continuation it is. In the last class we discussed about n is subset of W, W is subset of Z, Z is subset of Q, Q is subset of R, R is subset of C. How can it is? I will explain in detail. So see here, n is subset of W, W is subset of Z. So n. So see here clearly. So natural numbers. N means natural numbers. It is so natural numbers. Okay. So natural numbers begins with 1. If you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity, these are called the natural numbers. Now the whole numbers are starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, it is up to infinity. Next integers are denoted by Z. It contains both positive and negative values, 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, so plus or minus 3 and so on it is. Okay. Next one is rational numbers are denoted by Q. It is in the form of fraction P by Q. So where Q is not equal to 0. Okay. Next irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. Q dash. So the numbers which cannot have perfect roots, root 2, root 3, root 5. So pi is also an irrational number. E means exponential value is also an irrational number it is. Now the next one is real numbers. So real numbers means both rational and irrational numbers together are called the real numbers it is. Next one is imaginary number. The numbers which are having under roots negative value, that are called the imaginary numbers. Root of negative values, root of minus 25 is 5i. So it is imaginary numbers. Next one is complex numbers, both real and imaginary numbers. So together are called the complex numbers. So these are the different types of categories here. Now here, so n is subset of W, W is subset of Z. By observing all this here, so n is subset of W. How can you say n is a subset of W? It is. So subset means smaller set. N is smaller when compared with W. That is the meaning of that. N is subset of W means n is subset means smaller set it is. Why we say here n is smaller set when compared with W? So n starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. W starts with 0. So W is greater when compared with n. Why means one additional element is there, 0 it is. So by comparing these two, natural numbers are a smaller set when compared with whole numbers. It is y in whole number 0 additional element is there. So we say n is subset of W. Similar way, W is subset of Z. It is W means 0, 1, 2, 3. All are positive values. But in Z, if you observe, positive values are also negative values are also there. So W is the smaller set when compared with Z. Why? Z has negative values also, so it is greater when compared with W. So W is subset of Z it is. So Z is subset of Q. Why here Z is subset of Q means so Q means P by Q form. Q means rational numbers are represented by P by Q. It is in the form of P by Q. But all integers also represented by P by Q. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 are called the integers. It is clear. Each and every number can be written as P by Q, by 1, plus or minus 1, by 1, plus or minus 2, by 2, plus or minus 3, by 1, by 1, by 1, by 1. Each and every number by 1, by 1, by 1 can be written as P by Q form. By 1 means Q value is 1 it is. Q value is only 1 in integers. That point you have to put in your mind. In integers, Z it is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 and so on. What is the P by Q form? By Q is 1, it is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1 and so on. Q value is 1. But in rational numbers, P by Q, not only Q is 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4. Okay, so when compared with Z, Q is greater. Why Q is greater here? So denominator value, Q value, not only 1 here, not only 1 here, but in integers Q value is only 1, but in rational numbers not only Q value is 1, so different values are there. So it is greater. So Z is subset of Q here. Z is subset of Q it is. Now Q is subset of R. R is both rational and irrational together it is. By comparing Q and R, here, which is greater? R is greater. Why? In R, Q is included and another Q dash is also there in R it is. So, which is the smaller set? Q is the smaller set, R is the larger set, it is Q is subset of R. Similar way, compare R and C now. Compare R and C. So, by observing here complex numbers, so real numbers is part it is. Okay, in complex numbers complete real numbers are there, but additionally imaginary numbers are also there. So by comparing R and C, which is greater, C is greater, so R is subset of C, that is the reason. So N is subset of W, W is subset of Z, Z is subset of Q, Q is subset of R, R is subset of C here. That can be represented as a circle also. N is subset of W, W is subset of Z, okay, Z is subset of Q, okay, Q is subset of R, Q is subset of R, so R is subset of C. It can be represented as a circle by observing here which is the smaller set among all. N is the smaller set, which is the larger set among all. C is the larger set it is. Okay, this is the order. N is subset of W, W is subset of Z, Z is subset of Q, Q is subset of R, R is subset of C. Okay, so ఈ ఆర్డర్ జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు ఇలాగే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. సో కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో వీటి మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి. ఓకే, విచ్ ఈస్ స్మాలర్, విచ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ అని. సో ఈ క్లారిటీ మీకు ఉంటే, ఈ ఆర్డర్ మీకు ఉంటే, ఎన్ ఈ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ డబ్ల్యూ, ఈ ఆర్డర్ కూడా ఇలాగే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఎన్ ఈ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ డబ్ల్యూ, డబ్ల్యూ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్, జెడ్ ఈ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ క్యూ, క్యూ ఈ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్, ఆర్ ఈ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ సి అని. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ ఏది ఇచ్చినా కూడా మనం క్లియర్గా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ వీడియోస్ అన్నీ కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా షేర్ చేయండి, సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. విల్ మీట్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.